Hello, I'm Dr. Kirti Mutreja, practicing homeopathy in Mumbai since the last 17 years. So we know that in homeopathy, the most important aspect of our treatment is the case taking. We need to take the cases in depth, whether we term it as case taking or case receiving or case perceiving. But it is important how we are able to understand the patient from his deeper delusions and the sensations and the experience, and also from all his detailed physical complaints or physical generals and particulars, and then prescribe according to a proper totality. So, this is an art and a skill. It is not something which is theoretical and we can just read it in the books. Definitely, when we go through the detailed case takings from the master, from the expert, from the stalwarts in the field, through the books we are able to get some learning which is helpful, but at the same time when we are getting a chance to have a practical experience, a practical training on this subject in the Swara Gurukul workshop by Shekhar sir, that is a incomparable benefit, because Shekhar sir has that art, that knack, how he is able to pin down at the exact questions, the exact questioning techniques, the art of communication, the art of questioning, how we can maneuver ourselves according to the pace, according to the pitch of the patient. And when we ask the questions, totally absorbed with the patient, in the patient, and then the patient goes deeper into the delusions or experience. So this Swara Gurukul workshop has different characteristics, especially the guided case taking by Sir, where we physicians are taking the cases of other doctors, and here Sir is observing us and all the mistakes that we are doing. Those are the mistakes that we do in our clinics, where we are not able to identify maybe with the level of experience of the patient, or how to take the patient into, how to pin the patient, hold the space so that they can actually vent out what are the main issues for them. So the guided case takings and then the live case taking by Sir, and also an additional thing that Sir has added in these last workshops is that we bring our own cases and then we discuss that what are the questions that we asked, where the questions went wrong, how the questioning direction changed the direction of the entire case, and how we can correct that. So on the whole, I feel that a practitioner at whatever level, we have students over here who are just out from the internship, or some very senior practitioners of 30, 35 years, but all of us are growing and evolving, because if we are stagnant, then we can't offer our services in the best form to the society. So we are all here learning together at whatever level we are, but we are all evolving, learning further, refining our skills, sharpening our tools, and trying to become much better and much better homeopaths together here under the guidance of Dr. Shekhar.